Welcome back. This is Southwest Florida Scale Model Builders. My name is Jim, and this is just a first update on the dual build that I'm doing with the MPC 57 Chevy gasser and the Atlantis 55 Chevy. It's a custom street rod, which I am making into a gasser. And I've got both of them mocked up. Chassis are pretty well done. Bodies are completely sanded and ready for primer. The 55 Chevy, that's a handful. It's not for a first-time model builder. I've got probably, I don't know, maybe 2 hours just prepping that body, sanding it, and getting rid of all the imperfections and lines, and it's not a out of the box kit, that's for sure. Both of them are going to get engines from Iceman. The 55 Chevy is going to get the 572 tunnel ran with 2 4-barrel carburetors. It's going to get a distributor by Conquer. I think they have the best distributors on the market. The 57 Chevy is going to get a blown big block Chevy with 2 Dominators from Iceman. And that's going to be getting a Magneto by Conquer. Engines will start, I guess, as soon as I get all done this video. Excuse me. 57 Chevy, chassis all done, mocked up. I'm going to be using the tires from the kit, but the rims are from they're from Jay's I guess House of Resin Wheels. That's who these rims are from, which I think look really good on this. Here's a close-up of the front, and here's a close-up of the rears. They fit real nice in these tires. There's the chassis. Chassis basically all put together. I did not use the ladder bars that come in the kit. I was going to strip them, and I had these. I said, well, I might as well use these instead of stripping them. Of course, I got to paint it and put shocks and things like that on it, but the chassis is done. Set that aside. Like I said, the body is sanded. It's ready for primer. Let me set this aside. Bring the 55 over. This has had the most work done to it. These are not the wheels and tires that I'm using. I have, again, from Jay's Resin Wheels. Here's the slicks. Again, they're ready for paint. Rims are hard to show you. They're a 2-piece wheel. And these tires, I think, are too small for this vehicle. It'll be a tire, basically this size that'll be on here, which is, I think, more appropriate. Let me take the body off of this. Like I said, the body on this had a lot of work done to it. I took a lot of plastic off this body, but right now it's looking pretty good. I did have to radius the wheel openings. Still may have a little bit of work there, I'm not sure. Chassis, let me show you the chassis on this. Here's the chassis. This is from MCV from Mike from MCV, that straight front axle. Went on here, fit real nice. The rear end, I reversed reversed it on the springs, so it picked up a little bit of height. And again, I used these ladder bars that I had in stock. And it's ready for primer. It's cleaned up, ready for primer. Not sure if I'll have to cut the area for the transmission tunnel. I probably will have to cut it as soon as I get the engine together. They're both going to be automatic transmissions. And okay, that's the newest update on these twin builds. Everything's coming along good, and I can't wait to get started on the engines. As soon as I get the engines mocked up, they'll be in the chassis. I should have the wheels painted. Let me just show you. There's half the wheels. One half for the 55, and there's the other half. Right, I'm going to be chroming these probably with the Revell spray chrome. This here is going to get probably some type of a gunmetal color. I think they'll look great on there. And with that, that's a final. Here's the hood and trunk for the 55. They're both sanded, ready to go. And I'm going to say peace, take care, happy modeling, and I'll see you on the flip side. Take care. I'm out. Got a girl named Daisy. She almost drives me crazy. I got a girl.